Setting up for the open house. We got a sign here. We are at the intersection of Sutton and West Main Street. We're about probably 2 miles from the property, but that's how important it is to get the right signage out here. So sign number 2 over here, corner of West Main and Barnes. Again, we're at an intersection. Check this out. Right across, we got the lake. So yeah, listen, we got to get traffic. We got to get traffic to the property. So we put the second sign over here. Some may say, wow, why do you need that many signs? That seems like it's unnecessary. No, it's all necessary. We got to get our property sold. We got to get exposure. All right, so we're at the street now. We got our third sign over here at the corner of the street. Nice thing too, on the other side over there, you can see on both sides on Gilbert. And then I also put another arrow. See that one across the street over there, so we get traffic on that side as well. So we want to make, and here's our final sign right here at the house. About to head in there, and we got some customers pulling up already. Hey, how are you?